Well, I just got in my Brute magnet, 1,200 pounds combined. This is a double-sided magnet, so if it's 1,200 combined, it'll be 600 on each side. I ordered this Brute magnet because I'm like everybody else. I read the reviews and everybody really talks highly of Brute as a company. I don't work for Brute. I'm not trying to sell you a Brute, but I am going to unbox this. We're going to take it out and we're going to demonstrate it. Then I'm going to give you my opinion on it. I also just went down to Home Depot and picked me up some rope, and I picked me up a clip for it. Let's unbox this right quick. Brute Magnetics. Like a little card. It comes with some, let's see what you actually call this. Brute Magnetics thread locker. And it's pretty well packaged. This is supposedly 3.70 in diameter. The reason I picked this particular one is I thought if I wanted to drop it off a bridge, I could put the hook in the top like this, and say I wanted to pull it in a pool. It comes with a second one. And you can put it in right here. You tie your rope and you can drag it like that. That's the idea and why I bought this particular one. So I'll tell you what, let's put the rope on it. I know where an old bridge is. Let's go out there and throw it in, see if we can find something. Honestly, I've never magnet fished in my life. This is going to be my very first time. So let's go have some fun. Well, I found an old creek, got an old bridge going across it, and I got my magnet. I got my gloves for safety in case we get something. I can put them on to take it off. Got me a bucket and find something to put it in. So let's drop this magnet in. I feel like I already got something. God, geez, what have I got? I think I had some big piece of metal of some kind. Got something on there. What is it? What is that thing, Aiken? Look at that. Crap, I don't know what that is. Is it some kind of blade or something? I don't know what that is. Anybody knows what it is, you can put it in the comments. I think I got something else. Look at that. Man. Look at this thing. Man, I'll say this, it'll hold a lot of weight. This thing's heavy. Damn, look at that. Wow, I don't know what that is. You know what it is, Ace? Man, got square holes in it. Golly, that's heavy.
Well, I'll say this, it'll definitely pick up a lot of weight. That thing was heavy. Well, I tell you what, this brute magnet will pick up a whole lot more than I thought. That one piece was heavy. It's about all I could do to pull it in. So, hey, if you're looking for a magnet to go magnet fishing, hey, I'd highly recommend this brute magnet. It did everything I thought it would do, plus some. So, hey, if this helps you out, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Till next time, catch you later.